हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ H&M हॉल एंड आई गॉट द एंड आई गॉट ऑल द आइटम्स अंडर 10K, नो सॉरी 15K। कुछ मैंने ऑलरेडी उधर रखे हैं, आई जस्ट शो यू गाइस बिकॉज मैंने खोल दिया आई वांट टू ट्राई इट आउट। बट ये तो अभी रिसीव हुआ है, आई नीड टू ओपन दिस इज वेल। तो चलो विदाउट अ फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट इनटू द H&M हॉल। एंड दीज डेज आई एम लविंग H&M, oh god, from jeans to dresses to tops to एसेसरीज एवरीथिंग। और ये सारे पीसेस ना बिल्कुल बेसिक्स हैं, आप इसको बहुत तरीके से पहन सकते हो बिकॉज I think I enjoy basic pieces because I can literally, mismatch so many things and I can use it like 1,000 times. Even though I'm investing so much of money, that's the only reason I need high quality clothes. I need the clothes to work for me. I don't have to put my mind into it कि oh God, what should I wear now? ये नहीं है मेरे पास, वो नहीं. I really don't want to do that. I want to have all the basics in my wardrobe. I am not a celebrity and all of that, so I need like a couture or blah blah blah, like fancy things. I need basic, and basic would work for me in and out, like daytime, outing, inside house, everything. Like really want that. And couple of pieces I do keep it for the parties and all, but majority, like 80% of my clothing will be basic. And this shirt is also H&M. चलो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ, तो फटाफट लेट मी शो यू गाइज व्हाट आई रियली गॉट. आई गिव यू ट्राई एंड हॉल एज वेल. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो नाउ. ओके, सो आई थिंक वेट, आई नीड टू गेट कपल ऑफ मोर पीसेज जो मैंने उधर रखे वो भी लेके आती हूँ. ओके, सो ये सारे पीसेज मैंने ट्राई करने के लिए इसको खोले थे. आई विल शो यू दिस एज वेल. तो चलो पहले मैं ये वाला दिखाती हूँ. ओके, ऑलराइट, एक और पीस में लेके आती हूँ क्योंकि वो मैंने ऑलरेडी एक पार्टी में पहना था और मैंने पिछले ब्लॉग में इसको डाला भी था. लेट मी ग्रैब दैट फॉर यू गाइज एज वेल. Okay, so this is the one that I wore for the party and I love this. This material is super lightweight. The quality is good. Material इसका जो है वो अच्छा है, quality अच्छा है इसका. The print is very shiny, very nice, but it is very easy breezy, which I really love. इसको ना आप ठंड में पहन सकते हो, गर्मी में पहन सकते हो, इसके अंदर आप लेयर अप भी कर सकते हो. It is that good. So I love this. I'll show you couple of more. इसके एक और पीस मैंने मंगवाई थी which I'll show you right now. ये है इसके और एक पीस. ओके ओके, सो उसका ही दूसरा कलर मैंने मंगवाया है. इज दिस वन. लुक एट दैट. इट इज़ सो नाइस. आई लव द प्रिंट. इसका प्रिंट भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. आई लव दिस काइंड ऑफ अ ड्रेस एंड इट लुक सुपर सुपर नाइस. तो ये हो गया. एंड देन I got this shirt. Look at the print. I love the minimal color. I don't want to have like a too much of pop color. So mismatch करने में easy पड़ जाता है. So I literally ordered all of this matching with my trouser and my jeans so that मुझे ना कुछ भी अगर पहनना हो तो वो अजीब नहीं लगने वाला है. और फिर मैं सोचूंगी ओ मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं, because when I'm shopping I'm literally being thoughtful of what I have and what I'm buying should match my old products so that I can just you get the point. So this is the shirt that I am really loving. This I am really into formals. I am loving formals. H&M का formals बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So this, and I also got this cute bow. It was for I think $2.99. Look at that. It has a clip in it. So इसके पीछे ना ऐसे बना हुआ है, ऐसे. You just need to clip it and it's gonna look nice. मैंने अभी कैसे भी लगा लिया है, but it is pretty. You can just tie up like this and पीछे लगा लो. It will look really nice. इसका मटेरियल बहुत प्यारा है. This material is super nice. So ये, and okay, this is a shirt. So I got this basic shirt and I got oversized because tight jeans and oversized top, too perfect. So this is what I got from H&M. And oh, this was so much in trend. I think I saw so much like in social media. Wait, let me put the button so that it's easy for you guys to actually see the look कि ये कैसा लगता है. इसके ना बहुत सारे अलग अलग कलर्स भी थे. आई वेंट फॉर द ब्राउन वन बिकॉज मेरे पास ब्राउन ट्राउज़र था. सो आई थॉट कि ये दोनों मिसमैच करने में, सॉरी मिसमैच नहीं, मैचिंग हो जाएगा ये. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई गॉट इट. एंड आई लव इसका जो बटन है ना, इट्स अ गोल्डन बटन. होल्ड ऑन, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट. ओके, बटन लगाना यार बड़ा आलस वाला काम है यार. आई लिटरली feel. So yeah, this is the one. Look at that. And look at this. I love the button actually. I love the buttons, super nice. And yep, this is the one that I got. And I got top, like a cotton linen top. Look at that. I love this frill. I love the neck. It's also very nice. I got in 3 different shades, which I'll show you right now. This I got it in blue as well, and I got it in white as well. And then, okay, oh, this shirt is so buttery soft. I got it in a green color. Look at that. And it is stretchy, and the material is cotton. So nice material, yaar. It fits like glove, and it adjusts according to your body type as well. I love this. So मैंने H&M में कुछ साइजेस अपने साइज से छोटे लिए हैं, कुछ बड़े लिए हैं. तो अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट की अलग अलग साइजिंग थी. दैट आई फेल्ट वेरी वियर्ड अबाउट H&M, बट H&M इज H&M. सो ये पार्सल खोलते हैं. इसमें है जीन्स जो मैंने मंगवाई थी. मेरे पास जीन्स नहीं थी, मेरे पास ट्राउज़र थे नहीं, मेरे पास जीन्स थी, बट मेरे पास अच्छी जीन्स नहीं थी. व्हाटएवर. इसको खोलते हैं. I really love when I open the parcel. Bill. Ooh, wow. I don't know, मैंने 3 ऑर्डर किए थे. अब इसमें से कितने आए हैं that I don't know. Let's open the first one. I think एक जीन्स नहीं आया है, वो बाद में आएगा. I got the basic one, basic jeans, but I don't think so कि ये मुझे फिट होने वाला है. Is it stretchable? थोड़ा stretchable. I don't think so ये मुझे आएगा, ये छोटा है. I think I need to get the size up. We'll check that. Let's open this. I hope इसका size अच्छा होगा. I got this denim. This is high waisted. Okay, ये मुझे आ ही जाएगा. This is such a good size. Yeah, look at that. एक मुझे वापस करनी पड़ेगी. I have to try and show you guys. It's like ankle cut क्योंकि मेरी हाइट इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. So I had to look for, क्योंकि मुझे बाद में टेलर वगैरह का काम नहीं करना था यार. I just wanted कि एक बार खरीद लूँ मैं और पहन लूँ, इससे मुझे एक्स्ट्रा काम करना ना पड़े. So या एक और ब्लैक जीन्स मंगवाई है मैंने. इसका ही ब्लैक मंगवाया, वो अभी तक नहीं आया है. So yup, let's try everything and show you guys. बट बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं, ट्राई करने में मुझे 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा लग जाएगा. बट आई विल शो यू गाइस. लेट्स गो. So this is the jeans, and I got high-waisted because I'm a mummy and I have a mummy tummy. So I think this high-waisted will cinch everything up. तो yes, देखो इसका लेंथ भी बिल्कुल परफेक्ट आया है. I don't have to do anything with the length. So I am really loving the jeans. It's super comfy and it's really nice. It looks nice. Yeah, and I love the color. And it actually fits very beautifully. Like, yeah. So next up is this top. It looks so nice, yeah. It's super stretchy, which I actually love. And it's too good, yeah. This buttery soft. The color is actually really nice. I can wear in and out with jeans, with trouser, with skirt, you name it. It's so nice. I like it. But the mess, ये मुझे बाद में clean करनी पड़ेगी. So let's try something else. Okay, I love this color. Oh, wow. And the fabric is again buttery soft. It's pure cotton. I love it. I love it. It's so beautiful यार. इसका नेक ना मतलब मैंने बंद नहीं किया है बट अगर आप ऐसे प्रॉपरली बंद करते हो तो इट विल गिव यू दिस लुक. इफ यू डोंट close it, it will be like this. So I'll show you two more colors. Okay, this is the another color and I actually love this color a lot. Look at that. It covers everything from the back and it's so good. I can see myself in a mirror and I love it. I love the neck, I love the shoulder. I mean this frill. I love this frill. It's on point. The fabric is too breathable, too good. I'll show you another color. That's a white color. Let me show you. So this is the another color, the white one. It's super nice and it's actually matching with the jeans that I got. It looks super nice, but the white one is little, see-through. So make sure you're wearing something inside so that it is super nice. It cover the back. That's the best part. After becoming a mother, it is super difficult to find a pretty outfit to be matched with everything. You get the point. I don't know how to express it, but I'm telling you, after becoming a mother, there is so much change in your wardrobe because there is so many things fits you well, something it doesn't, something is not matching, so many things. But H&M has got me covered. I'm so happy. Look at that. Wow, let me show you the another top. This one is another beautiful shirt and I love the color. Yeah. Again, the fabric is super nice. Look at that. Look at the design. I love the button going on. I love this style, the print, the color. Wow. It's beautiful. It's really nice. It can go with a trouser, skirt. I think it can go with the jeans. I think it's going with the jeans that I'm wearing currently. I think this jeans is a multi-wearable or you can say कि ये jeans सारे टॉप के साथ मेरे जा रहा है जितने भी मैंने दिखा रखे हैं सबके साथ ये टॉप परफेक्टली फिट हो रहा है. Oh God, I am very happy investing money in H&M and it is beautiful. I mean, I'm really happy with my clothing. I really did not had pieces that actually work with me or work for me because after becoming a mother I was like, you get the point. But yeah, let me show you the another one. Okay, so this is the basic top. I think ये H&M के अलावा दूसरे ब्रांड में भी ऐसा मिल जाएगा, but I wanted H&M only. And the fabric is again the buttery soft, the pure cotton. It feels so good, breathable. It's not irritating my skin because I do have a sensitive skin and I get very irritated. And plus, when there's a heat, oh God, you need to wear a good clothing. In fact, thand mein bhi yaar, you do need to have a cotton breathable stuff. I am loving this. It's so nice. You can just go out like that. Even you know what? You can actually pair this with the perfect skirt. You can pair this with a trouser and you can make it like a night out thing and just wear a gold jewelry. I mean, anti-tarnishing wala. You're all sorted. I am loving this. It goes with the jeans. Again, this jeans is a hit of this entire shopping haul. I think I'm loving the jeans as well. Let me show you the another one. Okay, so this is the other one, but this is thoda see-through. You have to wear something underneath and then you can wear it. I think this is the best to be weared with trouser and best to be weared with the skirt. अगर मेरी इंग्लिश अच्छी ना लगे, आई नो इतनी परफेक्ट नहीं है बट काम चलाओ, आई एम हैप्पी. बट ठीक है. सो या दिस इज द टॉप. आई रियली लव दिस डिज़ाइन ना. हाथ की तरफ में भी काफ़ी अच्छे से बना रखा है इसमें. आई लव इट. लुक एट दिस. लुक एट द डिज़ाइन. आई एम रियली लविंग दिस. इसका जो एक और था ना, इसका जो ये वाला था ना, आई हैव वोर इन द पार्टी एंड इट लुक्ड सुपर ब्यूटिफुल यार. Just look at this and this. It's so nice. I love this kind of a top. And this is, क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको? It can never go out of style. Look at that. And also, I really like this neck. ये ना बहुत, sorry, मैंने ठीक से पहना नहीं है इसको. Okay. I really like this. It covered till up and it's so beautiful. I like this थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे से puff जैसा बना हुआ है. It's super nice यार. I love it. But make sure you're wearing something underneath because it's a little bit see-through, but it's beautiful. So let's try the another one. Okay, so I am going to wear this top. Sorry, not top. You can call a jacket or you can call a waistcoat. Waistcoat, yes. Okay, so I am already wearing the what you can say, sorry, trouser. What is happening? So I'm wearing the trouser that I already had. This is also from H&M, and I'm wearing this top is also from H&M. So let's pair this. It's just perfect for winters as well. You can layer it up. But let me show you. Fatafat. Okay. Oh, it looks smart. Really smart. Ooh. All right, look at the entire outfit. Oh my god. Like from the back also it is covering everything. I love it. H&M, I'm your new fan. Like I'm loving you so much. But ये मैंने black पहना है. If you want to match it up, you can actually get this color. It will suit better. I think it will suit well. थोड़ा ब्लैक ऑफ लग रहा है बट ब्लैक से भी काम चल जाएगा बट आई एम रियली लविंग दिस यार wow this is smart really smart. Okay, so finally, I am done with everything I've showed you guys. In case you like any of the product, I'll definitely give you the link. You can go and shop from there. And yeah, I'm really happy to share it with you guys. I hope this video is a little helpful because I know आप जब आप clothes online देखते हो तो there is so many things that you want to see reviews, you want to see how it looks, how it fits, and all of that. This video might help you guys. So yeah, in case you like anything, you can go to the description, click the link, and happy shopping. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next vlog. But अभी मुझे ये सब clean करना पड़ेगा. See you. Bye bye.